Hello, my name is René Schröder. I'm a retired professor for biochemistry. I was really inspired by Stanley Miller's experiments on the primordial soup because I really wanted to understand what life is about.
Hi, I'm Milica, a PhD student in the Karagas lab. I had the opportunity as a high school student to meet a couple of PhD students. This was very motivating because they were so excited about their projects and very happy to share their science. This was the reason that made me go into science and stay motivated.
My name is Irma Querques and I'm a group leader at the Max Perutz labs. I have actually 3 women who inspire me. The first one is my mother, from whom I learned that leadership and management are skills that absolutely belong to women. The second is my PhD advisor, Orsholia Barabas. And the third is Barbara McClintock. And from her I learned that any crazy ideas are actually worth to pursue.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm a lab manager in Stefan Amade's lab. The person that influenced me most was my dad. He always made sure that I understood what was going on and why things work. He would buy me books, he would explain to me the solar system, things like that.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm a group leader here at the Perutz. I am greatly inspired by the tremendous group of women that I have in my own lab. When I started my lab, I wanted to have a gender balanced lab, but as I began to recruit, the sort of up-and-coming trainees that I encountered that seemed like good fits for my lab happened to be these really strong and motivated, creative women. This really excites me about the potential for female leadership in the next generation of science.
My name is Andrea Barta. I'm a retired professor of biochemistry. My love of my life was RNA, be it in the ribosome or in the spliceosome. My hero was John Stites, who also worked on ribosomes. And she was the best role model you ever can imagine.
Hi, I'm Miriam Philipp from the Hind Lab. What inspires me the most, I guess, is the community that we have here and the discussions that I have with other people here and how we always help each other to bring our projects forward.
Hi, I'm Sanskriti and I'm a second year PhD student in Stephanie Ellis's lab. My role model in science is my mother, who is the head of the ear, nose, throat department back home in India. She's a surgeon and a brilliant woman, and she inspired me to go into science because she taught me that the biology of the human body is amazing, and more importantly, that women can choose whatever they want to do.
My name is Isabella Moll. I am professor for molecular bacteriology here at the Max Perutz labs. I was inspired by my biology teacher, who actually opened the picture of what is molecular biology, what is genetic, what is DNA, and he also taught me what is RNA. So I was inspired by him.
Hi, I'm Magda. I'm a PhD student in the Leonard lab at the Perutz. My grandma inspired me to do science. She nurtured a big curiosity in me from a very young age on. I really look up to her as she was both book smart and street smart.
Hi, my name is Ingrid and I'm a senior postdoc in the lab of Egon Ogris. I grew up in a small village in Carinthia. As a small child, I did not really know any people working in science. But then some older girls in the village started to study life sciences. And when I started to study biology, they were already pursuing their scientific career. That was kind of an inspiration for me, and where I also decided to go for a career in science.
Hi, I'm Muriel. I'm a master's student at the Max Perutz labs, and my biggest inspiration so far in my scientific career was Dr. Stephanie Ellis. I was lucky enough to do an internship at her lab last summer. She has inspired me to stay very consistent in my science, and she is a wonderful person and a brilliant scientist, and I'm so happy that I got to meet her and got to contribute to her science in her lab.
Hi, I'm Johanna and I'm Science Communications Manager at the Max Perutz labs. When I was 17, I read a book by René Schröder called Hen and Egg. Reading this book led to my passion and my interest in biology, and therefore I studied molecular biology.